Bullish ADA value forecast is 49 cents to $1.02. Cardano cost could likewise reach 80 cents soon. Bearish ADA cost expectation for 2022 is 33 cents. In Cardano cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ADA to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. Cardano current market status. The cost of Cardano is 40 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $696,672,347 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, ADA has expanded by almost 0.21% as of now. Besides, Cardano has a flowing inventory of 35,045,020,838. Cardano exchanges digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, Qcoin, Bithum, and youhodler worldwide. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local badge of the Cardano blockchain. This economical blockchain utilizes the confirmation of stake agreement component, Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain at first existed as a Layer 1 arrangement. In the end, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, was coordinated onto the current organization in late 2021. Cardano has been worked as an overhauled rendition of Ethereum's Shrewd Agreements organization. It means to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano value forecast 2022. The above diagram of Cardano spread out a diving channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A plummeting channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the trait of a negative market. As of now, Cardano is in the scope of 40 cents in the event that the example proceeds. The cost of ADA could arrive at the opposition levels of 41 cents, 51 cents, and 59 cents in the event that the pattern turns around. The cost of ADA might tumble to 33 cents. Cardano backing in opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. The graphs show that Cardano has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, ADA could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $1.02. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Cardano could dive to nearly 33 cents, a negative sign. Cardano value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of ADA lies beneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Cardano is displayed in the diagram above. Strikingly, Cardano cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. At present, ADA has entered a negative state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ADA whenever. In the meantime, the general strength list of the ADA is 55.80. This implies that Cardano is in an overbought state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of ADA might happen in the impending days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Cardano value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Cardano. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Cardano. As of now, the ADX of ADA lies in the scope of 40.3224, and in this way, it shows areas of strength for it. The above graph additionally addresses the overall instability record of Cardano. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of ADA lies over 50, demonstrating high instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Cardano is at 55.80, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of ADA with BTC, ETH. The beneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of ADA is like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH expands, the cost of ADA increases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of ADA diminishes. Cardano value expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, Cardano could presumably accomplish $2 by 2023. Cardano value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Cardano could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ADA could energize to hit $4 by 2024. Cardano value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Cardano supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ADA would revitalize to hit $6. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Cardano supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ADA would mobilize to hit $8. Cardano Value Forecast 2027. If Cardano supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ADA would energize to hit $10. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Cardano holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, ADA would hit $12 in 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, it would observe significant spikes. ADA could hit $14 by 2029. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Cardano environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ADA for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Cardano could hit $16 by 2030. And, with ceaseless upgrades in the Cardano network, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ADA. Hence, the bullish value forecast of Cardano in 2022 is $1.02. Then again, the negative value expectation of Cardano cost forecast for 2022 is 33 cents. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the fundamental consideration token environment, the presentation of ADA would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3.09 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach 80 cents assuming the financial backers accept that ADA is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local cryptographic money of Cardano. Cardano is a savvy contract put together blockchain working with respect to the verification of stake agreement sent off in 2017. 2. Where might you at any point buy Cardano? Cardano has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Bithum, and Huobi worldwide. 3. Will Cardano come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the essential consideration token stage, ADA has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Cardano? On September 2, 2021, Cardano arrived at its new all-time high of $3.09. 5. Is Cardano a wise interest in 2022? Cardano is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year, as per the kept accomplishments of essential consideration token in the beyond couple of months. ADA is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Could Cardano reach 80 cents? Cardano is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. Ultimately, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Cardano will hit 80 cents soon. 7. What will be the Cardano cost by 2023? Cardano cost is supposed to reach $2 by 2023. 8. What will be the Cardano cost by 2024? Cardano cost is supposed to reach $4 by 2024. 9.